In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your house name on Google Maps, okay? If you're already a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time, okay? Let's get started. Locate the Google Maps app, this one here. Then, here you can see my Google Maps. What I want to do here is click on Contribute button. Then, here you'll have various options. What you want to click on here is add place. Add place. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake that will impact the entire process. Click on add place. Then you can add the place name. This is now your house name. Now you can even say, okay, let me just use a random name so that you understand what I'm saying here. You can say the Riv Apartments. Okay, then choose, okay, apartments, sorry. Then choose the category. These are residential area because now it's a house, it's an apartment. Choose an apartment. Then you give address. Make sure that you give a valid address that can be found when someone actually goes to that place. Maybe just give a name, just an address. I'm just doing this to show you what's expected here. Okay, then you can say where it's located. Just type anything. Choose a nearby place. Maybe you can say Kediri town. Make sure that you give accurate information here, okay? Then you can add more details. Okay, you can say how many hours it takes to drive from one place to the other, or how many times that. Okay, just be creative. I think you understand what I'm saying here, okay? Then you can add photos of the place. Just choose the photos, then allow access so that Google Maps can access those photos. Okay, make sure you follow everything and then you will click submit. The Google team will take a time to review what you've added to ensure that whatever you are adding to the Google Maps, it's accurate so you don't mislead other users. This is all, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.